Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Echo 40 to 60 program on Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, we'll need to pick the program. It's located right here. Then we'll be able to adjust the spin rate. You can't adjust the temperature suddenly. Not suddenly, the mode speaks for itself right there. Then we can adjust the time. And also we have those 4 buttons. The first one is pre-wash, which you can activate or deactivate. Then delayed start, you'll be able to set a time when your washing should begin. So for example, in this case, I set it to 8 hours, so the washing should begin after 8 hours when I click on start. Then we can enable easier ironing. In this case, actually it's not available. Then there's the extra rinse that we can also enable or disable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.